If you have a draft campaign sitting in Mailchimp that you no longer need, deleting it is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove a draft campaign from your account so your workspace stays clean and organized. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're in your account, look at the main navigation and click on the campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your email campaigns, including drafts, sent campaigns, and any work in progress. Next, find the campaign draft you want to delete. If you have multiple drafts, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right one, because once it's deleted, it can't be recovered in the same way as an unsent draft. After you locate the draft, click on the three dots next to it. This opens the action menu for that campaign and gives you several options. From the menu, click Delete. Mailchimp will usually ask you to confirm that you want to remove the draft. This extra step is there to prevent accidental deletion, so double check that it's the correct campaign before you continue. Then click Delete again to confirm, and that's it. Your draft campaign will be removed from your Mailchimp account, helping you keep your campaigns page neat and easier to manage. If you're cleaning up old drafts, you can repeat the same process for any other campaign you no longer need. This is especially useful if you create test emails, temporary campaigns, or old drafts that are no longer relevant. Keeping your Mailchimp account organized makes it easier to focus on the campaigns that actually matter. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp tips, beginner guides, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.